Hello everyone, I'm MA Jumana, first year BSc Zoology student, Sir College, Talipuramba. Today we are going to discuss about the phylum Euglinozoa. What is the phylum Euglinozoa? The Euglinozoa are a monophyletic group of flagellated protists including free-living, symbiotic and parasitic species. While many members of the group are bacteriotrophs widely distributed in marine and freshwater environments, many others, such as Euglena, are photosynthetic autotrophs. Scientific classification: Domain Eukaryota, Superphylum Discicristata, Phylum Euglinozoa. Unique features of Euglinozoa: complex cellular projections that lash back and forth to propel the organism from place to place. Members of Euglinozoa are unique among other organisms due to the presence of paraxial rods in their flagellum. Structure: most Euglinozoa have two flagella, which are inserted parallel to one another in an apical or subapical pocket. In some, these are associated with a cytosome or mouth, used to inject bacteria or other small organisms. This is supported by one of three sets of microtubules that arise from the flagellar bases. The other two support the dorsal and ventral surfaces of the cell. Next, we are discuss about characteristics of Euglenozoa. Some are autotrophic, contain chloroplast with chlorophyll. Some are phagotrophic and engulf prey. Has a pellicle, thin, translucent envelope covering the outside. Fusiform body, spindle shaped body, nucleus centrally located, parabasal body, a structure near the nucleus in certain parasitic flagellates. Blepharoplast, a basal body in certain flagellates, protozoans that consist of a minute mass of chromatin embedded in the cytoplasm at the base of the flagellum. Axoneme, found at inner portion. The phylum Euglinozoa splits into three well-defined lineages: euglenids, kinetoplastids, and diplonomids. With different life strategies and distinct morphologies, yet still unified by a number of common features. Although the euglenids are sometimes further subdivided into Euglenidae and Symbiontida. Two main subgroups are subphylum Euglenida and subphylum Kinetoplasta. A. Subphylum Euglenida. Example: Euglenida viridis. Contains a flexible pellicle. Has a contractile vacuole. No cell wall. Located in fresh water or streams. B. Subphylum Kinetoplasta. Examples: Trypanosomus genus Trypanosoma cruzi. Nutrition: parasitic and heterotrophic. Contains a kinetoplasta, cellular organelle that has extranuclear DNA. Classification of Euglenozoa. The Euglenozoa are generally accepted as monophyletic. They are related to Percolozoa. The two share mitochondria with disc-shaped compartments, which only occurs in a few other groups. Both probably belong to a larger group of eukaryotes called the excavator. This grouping has been challenged. So next we are discuss about reproduction. Reproduction takes place only through cell division. When mitosis takes place, the nuclear membrane stays intact or in place, and the spindle microtubules forms inside of it, which carries on the reproduction. Euglenoids reproduce very quickly and create many offspring. They absorb their flagellum and divide haploid cells by using mitosis. Mitosis produces 4 to 8 flagellate haploid cells called zoospores. The zoospores then break out of the adult and grow to be full size adults and carry on the same reproductive patterns as their parents. Ecology: Euglenozoans usually live in freshwater streams and ponds as well as marine environments. Some may live in vertebrates, bloodstreams which serve as hosts. Euglenoids possess cytoplast. Euglenoids are usually found in shallow areas and usually need warm, sunny water. They need this in order to maximize their lifespan and living conditions. The other animals that inhabitate the water alongside euglenoids give them the nutrients and nourishment that is needed for proper conditions. Euglinozoa feed through absorption. So the last one is life cycle. There is a very large range of life cycles in euglenozoans which is determined by their grouping. A kinetoplastic member of Euglinozoa is transmitted or moved as well as reproduced while in a host by a vector. The most common host for such parasites is the tsetse fly. The fly then takes on the parasite and allows to reproduce. Euglenoids' lifestyles are extremely similar to that of green algae, mostly because of they have a green pigment. Euglenids have the same reproductive scheme with their kinetoplastid. They're similar because they both use cell division for reproduction. I hope all are now familiar with the phylum Euglinozoa. Thank you.